Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chef Kuku here. Today I'm showing you guys how I make this very healthy salad, my avocado shrimp salad. It's very easy, very few ingredients. It's a bit more on the expensive side, but it's that kind of salad you make when you're trying to wow guests or you just want to taste something different. It's smooth, it's silky, and it tastes So guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Welcome, like the video, share it with friends and family, and join the fun and learning on Kauna Kitchen. So let's go ahead and watch our video.
So guys, for this recipe, raw, like fresh shrimps make the difference. Please don't use the already cooked shrimps in like the freezer section sold in stores, already packaged. Use fresh shrimps. You would love the taste, and it tastes really good and fresh. Chives really go well with the recipe. They give it that onion taste without tasting too oniony, if there's a word like that, but they're really good. You need to use them. If you don't have parsley, you can also use dill because it goes well with the recipe. Avocado you use can make or break your recipe, so please use an avocado that is not overripe or underripe. Like, it's perfectly ripe, doesn't have any brown stuff in it, and it tastes really good because it will really give your recipe that silky, buttery, smooth taste. Please guys, remember to like this video, share it. Please share. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button now. Now I'm assembling my salad. You could serve it to your guests just like this, assembled, and let them mix the ingredients together for themselves, or you could just mix it for them like in a separate bowl, then plate it very nicely and serve it to them. Guys, our salad is ready and it tastes really good, as in the crunchy taste of the cucumber, that fresh watery taste, then the silky smooth avocado, then the shrimps that are so... Guys, honestly, you need to make this thing for yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.